How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the new product from KINGBOLEN, which is the KINGBOLEN S608. We're going to check it out, how powerful this product is, and how affordable this is. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I unbox the product, I just want to tell you the specs of this unit. So it has an Android 8.1 operating system. It has a 6.2 HD screen, 2 gig of memory plus 32 gig. So it has a Type-C USB-C for faster charging. It has a quad-core CPU with a speed of 1.8 GHz. And it's also 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So the battery on this unit is 4150 milliamp hour. So you have more power reserve compared to the other scanner. That's why this scanner is 5 times faster than any other scanner on the market. Probably depending on the price, but for the price unit of this KINGBOLEN S608, this one is 5 times faster than the competition. So now let's go check it out and unbox this unit. Okay, so let's unbox this KINGBOLEN S608. So we have our manual here. I suggest you read this so you can be familiar with this unit. So now we have the KINGBOLEN S608. So it's a medium-sized unit, and I like the size of it. It's very it's very portable. Here on the side we have the USB-C and also the memory card slot. You have nothing on this side. You have the port for the cable, and here you have the serial number, and working voltage is 9 to 18 volts. This is also touchscreen, and you have the manual controls here. So you have a back button, OK, and you got the 4 arrows here. This is the actual cable that we have to connect to the OBD port on the car. So this one goes to the actual port on the car, and this is the one that goes to the unit. And you have your USB-C charger here to charge the unit. So this is the power button here. Let's turn it on. You got the KINGBOLEN. You go click start here. Okay, so now you have all the controls here. You got the diagnose. So you have different types of manufacturer here. So this car is good for 110 plus cars. So 1996 and later dates of the car. So we have American, European, Asian cars. So you got all the list of different cars here. We go check American. So you get Buick, Chevrolet, Jeep, GM. Okay, now we're back. We check out maintenance. So you get here the ABS bleeding, battery matching, brake pad reset, DPF regeneration, electronic throttle adaptation, gear learning, injector coding, oil reset, and steering angle reset. That's about it for maintenance. And here on the OBD, okay, they want us to connect to the car, so we'll do that later. And here's the file. When you save some files, it's going to be here. We have some setting here for different types of configuration. And the repair info. So you got, if you want to go to Chrome for the repair, so it comes with the Google Chrome. You can go online. It's like a tablet, you can search your problem there, and you can get answer from different types of websites. You got the user manual, you got the learning, you got the OBD fault code library, and coverage list. So now we go upgrade. Probably we need to update the software on this. So you have here to click the to view the full software list. Filter car model software list, and click here to maintenance software list. It's okay. So here you can upgrade all this software. All the software is upgraded for free, guys. You don't need to pay any subscription. That's the beauty about this pre-upgrade. You just buy this unit and that's it. You don't need to pay for anything. So if you want to upgrade, let's say BMW, we go, what's the European? We don't have BMW. Okay, so this is the only available update right now. There's no BMW, so that means the BMW is already updated. We have 7 upgradable software, and the upgraded software is already here with 93. BMW is in the latest revision, so we don't need to upgrade that. Upgradable software, if you have any of these cars here that's listed on this, you can upgrade that. Then again, update is free, so you don't need to pay for anything. So let's go back, and that's about it. So now we'll try it out to connect to the car and see what this KINGBOLEN S608 can do. So guys, before we continue testing the unit, I just want to tell you the specs of the S605. It has a free lifetime update, so you don't need to pay for any subscription to update the unit. It's free for life. Also, it has an auto VIN, so it auto detects your serial number on the car. So it has a full OBD2 functions that dates the car since 1996. So you have the full OBD functions there with no problem. It has bidirectional active test, so you don't need to check the part by itself. You can just do an actual bidirectional active test to find out if the module is faulty or not. So that's very good. You can just test this without checking the part itself. You just have to activate it. You can find out right away if the part is defective or not. And it has 9 service resets, so you don't need to pay the mechanic or the garage to do this reset. So you can do it on your own, so that will save you a lot of money. So these are the resets that's available on this S608. So it has a multi-system diagnostics that can be done in just a few minutes. You can check out your car, make sure the health is good. You can scan the car for any fault or defective parts on the car, and this can be all done within minutes. It supports about 110 plus cars on the market. So more car selections, the better. So you always know that you can scan the car with this S608 with no issues. And it also has a Google Chrome. So I never seen a scanner with a Google Chrome. So this one has a Google Chrome, which is also good. So you can do some research on the fly without going to your cell phone or tablet or anything. You can just check it directly to the S608. So now let's go to the test and check this unit out. So I hook up the OBD to the car, and now we're gonna try to check out this KINGBOLEN S608. Check diagnose BMW. I'm gonna do automatically search. So in this way, you don't need to enter the VIN. It's gonna automatically know the VIN of the car. And here we have the detail of the car, including the transmission, the engine type, and when it was built. So now it's doing a scan. So we're gonna do a health report. So here we have some intermittent DTC. I'm gonna go check it out. Transmission control module is all fine. The gear selector switch is telling me it's abnormal for the ECM. I'm gonna clear it out. Okay. The fault code has been cleared. That's good. So everything's fine. System scan. So here's all the module that's in the BMW that they found. We're gonna check maintenance. So here you can do ABS bleeding, battery matching, brake pad reset, all that. So gear learning, so we're not gonna do all that. Check the OBD now. Okay, so now we have here readiness, live database, read freeze frame, read fault code, clear fault code, all that. The test result. Okay, we see live data. So here we can, you know, select throttle position B or accelerator position, ambient temperature, all that. So you can find all this. Okay, engine temperature, we'll see that. Okay, so here the engine temperature says that it's 59 degree, and we can grab that one, and so far it's stable. So that means you can check, you can grab the engine temperature, oil temperature, all that with no problem. Let's go back again. IM readiness, read status of DCT cleared. So here we have a misfire monitor ready, everything here. You have auto sensor monitor. Okay, so here you got the diagnostic functions, so you can find out all the values here, and it says okay, so there's no problem with that. So that's how you you know, use the system. You can stream live database and see the actual function of the module. You can scan the car, you can read the fault, you can clear the code, you can do all that. You can do reset and all this maintenance stuff for the car. So that's it. So guys, those are the only sample that I tested on the car, but you can still do more with this scanner. You know, if you really play around with it, you can spend hours and hours checking your car with this scanners. By the way guys, I think it's the best budget scanner from KINGBOLEN right now. I think it's about $179. So for the price to performance ratio, I think this is the best bang for the buck. So guys, I'm gonna put down the link down below if you're interested in the KINGBOLEN S608. So guys, please like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you in the next one.